YouTube, ¿qué pasa? This is Bxsickness. I'm just doing a quick pocket dump here, EDC. I just came home from work. That's why I still got my coat and everything. So I just wanted to show you what I had on me today. Got my T-Mobile G2 with the extra extension battery there. Had my keys. Coat pocket. Have my Kiwi 3 spider coat. So what else I had? Some chapstick. My Deterrent Knox Champ, as always. My little Sippo with the insert. This is the Thunderbird insert. And last but certainly not least, primary knife was the Spyderco Manix 2. Alright, y'all. Later. Sorry, guys. I had a couple other things I forgot to mention. Got a couple pins here. Different colors. Little Urban Altoids back here. It's got different things. Painkillers, salt, pepper. Things that I need to survive. And last but not least, well, it's not last, but little cheap, the Smarter Image multi-tool. And last but not least, my flashlight. This is the Coleman LED Performance. Alright, now I'm done. Later, y'all.